Hello all. Today we're going to learn about a Chinese multinational computer technology company, Lenovo. Most of us at least once must have heard the name of the company Lenovo. Let us know this company in a much better way. Lenovo Group Limited is a Chinese multinational computer technology company with headquarters in Beijing, China and Morrisville, North Carolina, United States. It designs, develops, manufactures and sells personal computers, tablet computers, smartphones, workstations, servers, electronic storage devices, IT management software and smart televisions. In 2013, Lenovo was the world's largest personal computer vendor by unit sales. It markets the ThinkPad line of notebook computers and the ThinkCenter line of desktops. Lenovo has operations in more than 60 countries and sells its products in around 160 countries. Lenovo's principal facilities are in Beijing, Morrisville and Singapore, with research centers in those locations, as well as Shanghai, Shenzhen, Xiamen and Chengdu in China and Yamato in Kanagawa Prefecture, Japan. It operates a joint venture with EMC Lenovo EMC, which sells network-attached storage solutions. It also has a joint venture with NEC Lenovo NEC Holdings, which produces personal computers for the Japanese market. Louis founded Lenovo in 1984 with a group of 10 engineers in Beijing with 200,000 yuan. Lenovo officially states that it was founded on 1st November 1984. Lenovo's incorporation was approved by the Chinese government on the same day. Jia Zufu, one of the founders of Lenovo, indicates the first meeting in preparation for starting the company was held on 17th October of the same year. Lenovo became publicly traded after a 1994 Hong Kong listing that raised nearly $30 million. Prior to its IPO, many analysts were optimistic about Lenovo. The company was praised for its good management, strong brand recognition and growth potential. On its first day of trading, the company's stock price hit a high of 2.07 Hong Kong dollars and closed at 2.00 Hong Kong dollars. Mary Ma, Lenovo's chief financial officer from 1990 to 2007, was in charge of investor relations. Under her leadership, Lenovo successfully integrated Western-style accountability into its corporate culture. Lenovo acquired IBM's personal computer business in 2007, including the ThinkPad laptop and tablet lines. Lenovo paid $1.25 billion for IBM's computer business and assumed an additional $500 million of IBM's debt. Lenovo sold its smartphone and tablet division in 2008 for $100 million in order to focus on personal computers, and then paid $200 million to buy it back in November 2009. As of 2010, Lee Garden had more than 1,000 programs available for the Le phone. At the same time, Lee Garden counted 2,774 individual developers and 542 developer companies as members. On January 27, 2011, Lenovo formed a joint venture to produce personal computers with Japanese electronics firm NEC. The company said in a statement that they will establish a new company called Lenovo NEC Holdings BV, which will be registered in the Netherlands. NEC will receive $175 million from Lenovo through the issuance of Lenovo's shares. In September 2012, Lenovo agreed to acquire the United States-based software company Stoneware in its first software acquisition. The transaction was expected to close by the end of 2012. No financial details have been disclosed. On 29 January 2014, Google announced it would sell Motorola Mobility to Lenovo for $2.91 billion in a cash and stock deal. Lenovo's PC division was formed in 2005 through its acquisition of IBM's PC business, including its ThinkPad and ThinkCenter lines. Shipments of Think-branded computers have doubled since Lenovo's takeover of the brand, with operating margins thought to be above 5%. Lenovo has aggressively expanded the ThinkPad brand away from traditional laptop computers in favor of tablets and hybrid devices such as the ThinkPad Tablet 2, ThinkPad Yoga, ThinkPad 8, ThinkPad Helix and ThinkPad Twist. The shift came as a response to the growing popularity of mobile devices and the release of Windows 8 in October 2012. As of January 2013, Lenovo only manufactures phones that use the Android operating system from Google. Numerous press reports indicated that Lenovo planned to release a phone running Windows Phone 8. According to J.D. Howard, vice president at Lenovo's mobile division, the company would release a Windows Phone product if there is market demand. In April 2014, Lenovo announced the new Lenovo Tab A730, Lenovo Tab A750, Lenovo Tab A8 and Lenovo Tab A10 tablets. At the IFA 2014 in Berlin, Lenovo announced their first Intel Atom-powered Android tablet known as Tab S8 and characterized by a cheap price. Lenovo's principal facilities are in Beijing, Morrisville, North Carolina and Singapore, with research centers in those locations as well as Shanghai, Shenzhen, Xiamen and Chengdu in China and Yamato in Kanagawa Prefecture, Japan. Lenovo operates factories in Chengdu and Hefei in China, and as of December 2011 has plans to start production in Argentina. A 7,500 square foot flagship store opened in Beijing in February 2013. Lenovo began to emphasize vertical integration after a meeting in 2009 in which CEO Yang Qing and the head of Lenovo's supply chain analyzed the cost versus the benefits of in-house manufacturing and decided to make at least 50% of Lenovo's manufacturing in-house. In October 2012, Lenovo announced that it would start assembling computers in Wissett, North Carolina. Production of desktop and laptop computers, including the ThinkPad Helix, began in January 2013. In May 2014, Lenovo announced that it planned to double its workforce in most countries. The company executive headquarters are in Morrisville, North Carolina, near Raleigh in the Research Triangle metropolitan area in the United States. As of October 2012, the facility has about 2,000 employees. The company registered office is on the 23rd floor of the Lincoln House building of the Taikoo Place in Quarry Bay, Hong Kong. In 2006, Lenovo announced that it was consolidating its U.S. headquarters, a logistics facility in Boulder, Colorado, and a call center in Atlanta, Georgia, to a new facility in Morrisville. The company received offers of over $11 million in incentive funds from the local Morrisville, NC area and from the state of North Carolina on the condition that the company employs about 2,200 people. In 2009, Lenovo became the first personal computer manufacturer to divide countries into emerging markets such as China, India and Brazil and mature markets such as the United States, Japan and Europe. Lenovo then developed a different set of strategies for each category. This approach has now been widely adopted among Lenovo's competitors. In 2012, Lenovo made a major effort to expand its market share in developing economies such as Brazil and India through acquisitions and increased budgets for marketing and advertising. While Lenovo has not revealed its total spending on marketing, it did increase marketing and advertising expenditures by $248 million in the fiscal year ending in 2012. Lenovo has gained significant market share in India through bulk orders to large companies and government agencies. In China, Lenovo has a vast distribution network designed to make sure that there is at least one shop selling Lenovo computers within 50 kilometers of nearly all consumers. Lenovo released its smartphone in Nigeria in the second half of 2013 in an effort to find markets where it can sell directly to consumers. Lenovo was an official computer sponsor of the 2006 Winter Olympics in Turin, Italy and the 2008 Summer Olympics in Beijing. In July 2012, Lenovo and the National Football League (NFL) announced that Lenovo's had become the NFL's official laptop, desktop and workstation sponsor. So we got to know about the various aspects of Lenovo. We went to the company's history, to its corporate affairs, marketing and sponsorships. Hope the information was useful and have a good day ahead.